And today we're going to be talking about this CubicFun Eiffel Tower 3D Puzzle Night Edition. That's right, this is called the Night Edition because it comes with a light kit, which is going to give it that nice luminous effect in the evening or when you turn out the lights. Very, very cool. Now I'm going to start a time lapse right now. This is my wife building this puzzle for us so we could see it here in all of its glory. And what I'm going to do as that runs is I'm going to show you the manual. This is the book that actually comes with it. You can see that it's a full color booklet. It has easy to follow instructions, so you're not going to get lost. You're not going to have a hard time doing it. This puzzle right here to build this whole tower was only 51 pieces, and the hardest part about building this tower was just punching out all the little squares, but they do give you a little punch tool included. It's like a little card you pop out to help remove all these little squares, and it makes it so much easier. Now I'm going to bring the camera down. I'm going to give you a closer look at the model. We're going to leave the time lapse running, and here it is right here. You can see that you can actually lift the Eiffel Tower itself off, and I'm going to bring it closer so you can kind of get an idea of the detail on how nice this thing looks. It actually has the structure printed onto the puzzle pieces, and then the base itself is separate, and then inside the base is the actual little light kit right here. You can turn that on and you have the yellow light and you have a single red light if you want a dimmer effect. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it on the yellow light. We're going to put it back in the base. We're going to set this on top, and now you can kind of start to see that effect. I'm going to turn the lights down for you just a little bit, and there you go. You can see how it kind of looks like Paris at night, and that's with the yellow light, of course. So very, very nice that they include the little light kit. So as you can see, it's a very detailed, very nice 3D puzzle. It's not that difficult to build. Yes, it did take just over an hour to get it done, but that's not too bad, especially if you like building puzzles. An hour is no time. If you've ever put those huge puzzles together, that takes real time. So very cool. Love the print, love the look, love the lights. Just a great little family activity. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.